You know what the main difference is between being born Muslim and accepting Islam? It really comes when you lose somebody in your family that's not Muslim. And recently a friend lost somebody, and we just were sharing experiences, and I realized I should start talking about it in my videos because I might help somebody else. So when a convert loses somebody in their family, there's grief on several different levels. And a lot of us have heard very hurtful things when somebody in our family passes away. Number one, I just want to say to everybody who's watching this, anybody who is trying to figure out how to console a new Muslim or someone who's a convert to Islam about a loss in the family, just say, I'm sorry for your loss. Don't make any judgments. Don't say anything about the hellfire. Just say, I'm sorry for your loss, and comfort them.